Okay, so what were your expectations before your first dance fitness class? So I expected it to be fast-paced and medyo intimidating or um, medyo nakaka-nervyos kasi di naman ako masyado talaga sumasayaw and medyo nakakatakot if magkamali, baka ma-anxious ako or ma-demotivate pag nagda-dance. So number 2, describe your favorite aspect of a typical dance fitness class. So yung favorite aspect ko is yung music kasi yun yung it gets us moving and para siyang hindi class, so para siyang hindi PE, parang ano lang kami, we're just moving with the music. Then, how important is the instructor's style and personality to your engagement? So, super important siya kasi their energy sets the mood and sets the tone of the class. Then, do you prefer learning complex choreography or simpler, repetitive movements, and why? I prefer simpler repetitive movements because I can focus more on enjoying the music instead of getting every steps correct. And then, how would you describe the energy level of the classes you attend? So, at first, medyo nangangapa-ngapa pa kami kasi first time namin siguro mag PE with na dancing yung yung tinuturo sa amin. Pero as time goes on naman, unti-unti naging comfortable kami sa isa and then mas, even though prone kami sa pagkakamali, mas okay lang sa amin since medyo kilala namin yung isa't isa. And then, how would you describe the energy level? Number 6, have you noticed any improvements in your physical fitness since starting dance fitness? So yes, I've noticed better endurance and mostly yung coordination. Yun lang, mostly coordination ng hands, feet, eye. Yun yung mostly nag-improve sa akin. So do you feel more confident in your dance abilities now compared to when you started? I feel much more confident now since I don't overthink how I move. Ang important is how I express myself through dancing. So next is, what is the biggest challenge you've faced in dance fitness and how did you overcome it? So pinaka-challenge ko lang is yung continuous na choreography, like sa chair dance namin. Isa siyang isang buong choreography na need mong i-memorize from start to finish, kaya medyo minsan nalito, na-challenge ako from those types of sessions. So, have you ever felt self-conscious or intimidated in the dance fitness class? How did you deal with it? So, at first, yes, I was self-conscious and intimidated. But, ayun nga, as pinapasokan ko yung class, nawawala yun since I am more more close to my classmates and peers than before. Kaya medyo hindi ko na iniisip yung if nagkakamali ako or hindi ko nasusundan yung choreography. And then, what motivates you to keep attending classes regularly? Yung class kasi namin is 7 to 9. Ay, tama. 7:30 to 9. So, from the start, medyo mahirap talaga siyang attendance since super aga. But, mas naging motivated ako na mag-attend sa class from start to finish is dahil sa classmates ko, sa teachers ko. Ayun. Kaya namomotivate akong umattend every PE sessions. So, how has dance fitness impacted your mental and emotional well-being? Dance fitness has really boosted my mood. Madali na ako mag-chill since kapag ka may music, parang gumagaan yung mood ko. Ayun, mostly ganun lang kapag ka may music. Parang naalala ko yung dance classes na chill lang kami every session. So, pag nakakarinig ko ng dance or nakita ko ng sumasayaw, parang na-associate ko siya sa PE class. And then, would you recommend dance fitness to others? Why or why not? Yes, definitely. I-recommend ko siya since hindi lang siya enjoyable. Ma-improve din ito yung mental health mo since yung environment is free of judgment, which is sinaset ng instructor namin since day one. So, it's okay to make mistakes and just have fun when doing dance.